Is your external component the Bridge Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish localized networking logic links. Quickly resolve Bridge Library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Bridge Library, a generic bridge module, often associated with unmanaged communication between different software frameworks, e.g., bridging Java to Native Win32. It manages the translation of data link manifests across process boundaries. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Errors involving Bridge Library DLL typically indicate that the localized networking logic files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Bridge Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. If you're attempting to install Bridge Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Bridge Library and system libraries. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Bridge Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.